Hello everyone! Welcome back to Kazakh lessons. Today we will continue to talk about food and we will learn how to buy things in a shop. Let's go through some common things you would buy in a shop. Naan, bread, süt, milk, qant, sugar, may, butter or oil, жұмыртқа, an egg, şay, tea, balık, a fish, күріш, rice, alma, an apple, Qulpynaı, a strawberry, Júzim, a grape, Balmuzdaq, an ice cream, Táttiler, sweets, Qyzanaq, tomato. Now a situation in a shop. For example, you want to buy meat. You need to ask, do you have meat? Or, is there meat? Et бар ма? And they can answer you, yeah, et бар. Yes, there is. Жоқ, et жоқ. No, there isn't. Or you want to ask the price. How much is bread? Naan qansha turady? Naan 100 tenge turady. It's 100 tenge. If you want to say, could you give me bread, please? You will say, naan berińizshi. You will add ending sh to sound more polite. Naan berińizshi. And they can answer you, here you are, or take the bread. Naan alınız. Or they can answer you, here you are, or take the bread. Naan alınız, or just alınız. It was our last lesson. I really hope that it helped you to learn Kazakh language. Goodbye!